Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade BNB Memecoins on Axioms. We'll start on the Axiom Discover page, which is where you can browse tokens and navigate between supported chains. If you're landing here for the first time, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout. The chain selector is near the top right, beside the deposit button, and that's where we'll begin. From the Discover page, click the Sol dropdown at the top right beside the deposit button. This menu lets you switch between different blockchain networks available on the platform. Since we want to trade BNB Memecoins, the next step is to change away from Solana and move to the BNB chain. In the chain list, click on BNB. Once selected, the page will refresh or update to show content specific to the BNB network. This is important because token listings, market activity, and trading options will depend on the chain you have selected. Before moving on, it's a good idea to confirm that BNB is now active so you know you're looking at the correct market. Next, click on Pulse. This section is useful for finding active or trending meme coins and gives you a quicker way to spot opportunities on the selected chain. Think of it as a discovery view focused on momentum and current activity. From there, select the sample tokens shown on the page. This opens the token's detailed trading view, where you can review its chart and use the trading panel. At this stage, make sure you are looking at the correct token before placing any action, especially when trading fast-moving assets like meme coins. Once you're on the token page, click on Sell. This brings the sell side into focus and shows the interface for exiting or reducing a position. Even if your goal is to buy, this helps you understand where both trade directions are located on the token screen. After that, click on Buy in the right-hand panel. This switches the trade action to buying and prepares the panel for a purchase order. The right panel is where you'll manage the trade direction, so it's helpful to watch for whether buy or sell is currently selected before continuing. And that's the basic flow for getting to a BNB Memecoin trade on Axiom. Open Discover, switch from Sol to BNB, go into Pulse, choose a token, and then use the trading panel to move between sell and buy as needed. Take your time. Double check the selected chain and token, and make sure the correct trade side is active before submitting any order.